Apple Vision Pro, this Apple product coming to change the world. Apple Vision Pro device. Apple has started a new era in the world of technology. At the Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, iPhone maker Apple unveiled its mixed reality headset Vision Pro. This is the world's first product of its kind, in which a mixed form of real and virtual world is seen. For this, the company has also made VisionOs. First of all, what is Vision Pro? Vision Pro is the new headset of Apple company. Wear on the eyes like a spectacle. It comes with a battery. By applying this, you can mix the virtual world and the real world. The experiences in Vision Pro are in 3D. That is, whatever you feel by wearing these headsets, it will seem as if it is happening around you. It is powered by Apple's M2 chip and the brand Neural One chip. The company has also created a new app store for the Vision Pro headset. Many of the apps that are available for iPhone and iPad are present in this headset. What are the special features in Vision Pro? Real world and virtual world have been merged in this. That is, you can run any app while sitting in your room. Different tabs can be opened in different directions. You can switch from one app to another at any time. You will see the movie inside Vision Pro, but it will feel like everything is happening in front of you in the real world. It will definitely give you the feel of a movie theater. The lighting of the screen automatically changes according to the light of the room. Sometimes it will be dark and sometimes light. Not only this, you can make the screen as big as you want. In this, the screen can be about 100 feet wide. The resolution on that gets better than even 4K televisions. There are lenses of about 23 million pixels in both the eyes. With this, photos, videos or text are visible very clearly. The sound in Vision Pro is also of high quality. There are 6 sensors in it, which adjust the sound accordingly by sensing the things around you. With this headset you can not only watch but also take photos and videos. Vision Pro has 12 cameras and 6 microphones. You can then relive your old memories as if they are happening right in front of you. Special arrangements have been made in this Apple headset to give real-time experience to the users. All the experiences that happen in Vision Pro will be in 3D in the whole space around you. It is also very easy to control it. Vision Pro can be controlled only by eye gestures. It has the facility of eye tracking. That is, the tab your eye is looking at will automatically get highlighted. The user will not even need to move his head. Vision Pro also has the facility of gesture control. In this, with the gesture of your hands, you can make the screen bigger and smaller. You can run a tab. There is also voice recognition so that it is easy to search. This is see-through. In this, both the real people and the screen are visible. If someone comes to your room, you can see them, talk to that person easily. The person in front can also see your eyes. Vision Pro is great for both gaming and workspace. In this, the user feels as if he himself is a part of that game. At the same time, it is also very easy to operate. It has the facility of FaceTime. Other people will be able to see your face, hands and facial expressions comfortably while talking. It kind of creates your digital avatar. It can be connected to Apple's other product MacBook, just by looking at it. The MacBook's 13-inch screen can be stretched too wide. A battery pack is also available with the Vision Pro, which can be kept in a pocket. It can run comfortably for 2 hours without charging the battery. And run as much as you want with the battery installed. People who already wear glasses can also use Vision Pro. For this, Apple has collaborated with Zeiss. However, the company says that under no circumstances should it be given to children below 13 years of age. How much is it and when will it be in the market? The cost of Vision Pro is $3,499. If you see in rupees, then around 3 lakhs. This product is not yet launched in the market. It will arrive in the US in early 2024, then it could launch in other countries late next year. It is expected that the Vision Pro will arrive in India by the end of the year 2024.